of us who have been in office here, there's nothing called elite capture. You have to capture yourself first. If you're not part of it, you can dismantle it. You know, because it's like people telling you you can't fight corruption. I disagree. If you are not stealing, your wife, I make emphasis, is not stealing, your children are not stealing, you reduce it by 50%. Yeah. I have served as a governor. If you are not stealing, because for people to steal, you have to be stealing first. Because you have to approve what they'll steal. So if your own is included, everybody will add his own. But if your own is not there, everybody will be scared to put there. The same thing goes with the elite capture. If people see you doing the right thing, there's no way they will support you. There's no way, because you could see it. You could even see the gaps that are there and everything. In a country like Nigeria, which I used to, just like I talk about Africa, we have all the potentials to be a great nation. So nobody can tell you that, oh, Nigeria is hungry. No, you can't say that. Because we have all it takes to pull ourselves out of there. Nigeria doesn't have this. We have all it takes. So the elite captures that if you don't, you yourself have to say, listen, this is where we're going. This is what we want to achieve. And when people see you going the right path, they will. I've been in office where initially people didn't understand what I'm doing. And I was impeached. I was removed from office to while. But the moment people knew what I was doing, they agreed with me. That's why I always say to people when they said, why were you impeached initially? I said, well, listen, at times you become a driver, driving passengers who are since past their destination. They didn't know where you're going, but you're going to a better destination. Well, because they passed their destination, they pushed me out of the car. But the moment they knew that I was going to a better place, they followed me.